Hey everybody, welcome to Vintage Vagabond Vens. Have you ever thought about reselling? Well, today we're going to go over some cool items for reselling. These could be items found at estate sales, yard sales, thrift stores, or even just around the house. Whether it's selling on eBay, Mercari, Posh, these are some of the types of items, I should say, to watch out for.
Today we're going to go over an item that's often found at estate sales, yard sales, thrift stores. Some of them are worth money, but many of them aren't. Here are a few that are worth some money. This is a Pottery Barn ceramic ghost mug. This sold for $49. Here are two jadeite green glasses. They sold for $44.50. Here is an Anthropology Christmas in the City of Paris mug. This sold for $35. This is a Disney Parks Winnie the Pooh Tigger coffee mug. It sold for $19.80. Here is a Holt Howard 1960 Starry-Eyed Santa Christmas mug. It sold for $94.33. Here we have a Diamondback Rattlesnake ceramic mug. This sold for $54. Here's a Royal Dalton, not really a coffee mug, but a mug of Bonnie Prince Charles 1989 Toby jugs. Sold for $40. Here's a stoneware vase mug. This sold for $30. Here are 4 Fire King jadeite coffee mugs. They sold for $123. Jadeite has been selling really good lately. Starbucks, cities and states, a lot of those mugs sell very well. This is Los Cabos. This one sold for $357. Here's a Starbucks hibiscus flower coffee mug. This one sold for $30. Here's a Fire King Tiki Lodge Motel. There's the mark on the bottom. This one sold for $46.67. Ray Dunn, another good one to watch for. This one is the Home Cappuccino coffee mug. Sold for $237.50. Another Ray Dunn Chirp the Bird mug. Sold for $69. Here's a Moomin mug. This one is skiing competition. This sold for $50.99. And another Moomin mug. Winter 2015. This sold for $43. Here's an Anchor Hawking Fire King Burger King mug. Sold for $144.26. 13 bids. Here's a set of 4 Fire King coffee mugs in gingham pattern. They sold for $49. Peace sign Fire King coffee mug sold for $52. Antique Wedgwood nursery rhyme alphabet mug sold for $350.14. Antique mocha yellowware banded mug sold for $70. Antique Roseville pottery juvenile baby puppy dog mug. It shows with a plate, but it only says it's for the mug. Sold for $34.99. This is an antique McCoy Majolica corn mug. This sold for $22. A name most people know to look for, Tiffany. This is a Tiffany blue ribbon coffee mug. This sold for $81. Last, we have a Peanut Snoopy Fire King Anchor Hawking mug. This sold for $299. So there are some coffee mugs out there that are worth good money. If you see anything like this, it's a good idea to check it out. I do hope you enjoyed this video and learned something. I thank you for watching and hope that you have a great day.